Hi and welcome again to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to make money by simply pasting or publishing news, and I tell you this is one of the easiest way of making even up to $100 a day. Yes, up to $100 a day. Yours is you just copy an existing news and paste it on websites or articles, and those articles will be paid for either per article or per word. And I've been trying this out for a while now, and it is really making me money. And at Money Payouts, we always teach you the easiest way of making money. So if this is your first time of coming to our channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps with the Google algorithm. So without wasting time, let's head to Google News. Now this is where we shall pick our news from. So open your web browser, right, and just that Google News, and just open to the Google News site, because we shall pick the news from there, and then I'll show you sites that pay huge sums of money when you upload articles to them. So this is where we shall pick our news or articles from. We shall go for either entertainment, sports, science, health, because these are where people are mostly interested, right? So click on the health, right, and then go through any article. Let's go to nutrition, right, and then let's pick a current one. So this article was published, or news was published yesterday, so let us open it. Now when the news opens, guys, what you have to do is you just need to copy the news or the article and go and paste it at those websites that I will show you right now, guys. So but for plagiarism's sake, or for us to skip plagiarism, we are going to change or spin the article so that where we shall paste them, they won't detect it. So we will copy this one here, right, copy and paste it. Now you go to spin.bot. Remember this website, spin.bot. So you paste your text here, right, then let me add more to it. So let's go back again and paste the rest here as well. So this article is about dates, guys, and I believe you know more about dates and its benefits to our health. So you can see that this article is going to make so many people read, right? So as they read this article, you'll be paid up to $100, guys, or even as far as $1,000 per the news that people are going to read. So when you copy the entire news or article and the spin bot, now let me paste it here, and then you just go to spin it. So here you have to confirm if you are not a robot, right? So drag it and put it inside here rather, so it, and then they will confirm. Good. So if you can see from the right hand side, they have spin the words so it looks different, then you copy it. Good. Now it says that copied what successfully. So now let me show you the first site that will pay you about $1,000 per word, right, per word that you paste. So we have one here. We have the Sierra magazine, right? So this is sierraclub.com. This magazine site, when you paste articles there, they pay you huge sums of money, right? So to add an article, you have to scroll down, then you go to submission guideline. This is where they'll show you how to submit your articles, guys. It is important to go through all this because it will give you an idea of how to submit your article. So it says that here Sierra covers up to what, $3.95, right? So if you read all this, they'll show you how to submit your article. So you just submit the article to them and you'll be paid per how your article will be read or viewed by audience. So guys, this is the first site. Note this is the first website that pays huge money for adding content or news or articles to their websites. So the next one is Eating Well. Now this Eating Well is also another site that really pays good, guys. Eating Well is about health and other stuff. So our article that we went to copy at the Google News will really help with this one. So as for Eating Well, you can submit your article to them via email. So if you go to eatingwell.com, scroll downwards and look for contact us, right? So when you click on the contact us, then you write their email address right here. So for articles and stuff, this is where you have to send your article for them to publish. So it is editor.eatingwell.com. So you have to copy this address in your email, then you email them the article, and then they will add the article to their web page, and they will also call you back or email you with the amount that they will pay you per the views or the article. So the next one that we have is also JSTOR Daily, and JSTOR Daily is just like the rest. They also pay per the articles that you add to the website. So simply, you just need to also know how to upload to them, right? So you have to contact them just as we did for the two websites. Now when you are able to contact them, then you email us. So you just go to contact us, then get their email and you email them, and they will also publish your content, right? So guys, here there are so many emails you can add, there are so many mails, there are so many news that you can add from here, and you can always spin them right here and paste them always for money. So guys, this is the end of our video, and try it out and kindly comment below if you are stuck in a way, and I will guidedly respond to your comment. So guys, thank you very much and have a lovely day.